Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to play Minecraft one block on mobile. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Now, since this is on Minecraft Bedrock Edition, this means that we can do this on our mobile phone. Any games console like the Xbox or PlayStation, or on your PC. So if you're playing on either of those on Bedrock Edition, make sure to follow along. So the first thing you need to do is open up Minecraft Bedrock Edition. And from there we can click play right here. From there, we can go to the top right corner and look for this service tab. And we just want to go ahead and click on that. From there, we can see a list of featured servers. However, if you scroll down to the bottom, we'll be able to find additional servers right here. And these are ones which we can actually add ourselves. So in order to play Minecraft one block, we will actually have to add a new server. So we're going to go ahead and click Add Server down here. And the first thing you need to do is just type in a name. So since we're playing one block, we can just call this one block. And we can then type in the server address. So what we're going to type in is mcmp.cosmosmc.org. Once you've typed that out, you want to make sure this is correct and matches what I've written here. And from there, we can leave the port as it is. And we can then click Save. And it'll then get added into your servers. As you can see here, this is the one I added earlier called one. So we can simply click on it, and then we can click Join Server. From there, it will start loading, and in a few seconds, we'll be able to access the server. And as you can see, we can now choose a server to join. And since we wanted to play one block, we can click one block. And you will now get teleported to the one block server. So that's basically how you can play Minecraft one block on mobile. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.